How to fix Snapchat media upload issue. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on to Google Play Store application and search for Snapchat application over here. As you can see, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Snapchat application. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back and then make a long press on Snapchat application and then tap on app info. As you tap on app info, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on clear data and then tap on clear cache and then tap on OK. Next, go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here so that you do not have any hindrances while using the application. So after that, go back and tap to log into your Snapchat and try to upload the media, and this might solve the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.